Piny owacho mamalo dhi konyo eyore duto mar siro kaunti ma Kisumu etimo ikruok ne nyasi mar bedo koda nyasi mar Africities ma bende ichano tim e boma ma Kisumu higa manyien dwe mar Ang'wen. Mano singo ma bende nochiw koda migosi Uhuru Kenyatta e nyasi mar madaraka e boma ma Kisumu. Migosi Kenyatta nolero ni en nyasi maduong' mabiro ting'o jotelo midewo ahinya ero kendo ok en mar Kisumu kende to en mar piny Kenya mangima. Wachne nosir koda gavana ma Kisumu Ngire Anyang' molero ni Kisumu ni kod nyalo mar bago nyasi nero ka gisingo tiyo koda piny owacho mamalo. Nyasi mar Africities nonego bagi higa nieri e dwe mar 11 kata kamano lokruok nobedo mondo ochiw thuolo makare mar hikruok makamano.
Universal healthcare has been embraced by all counties and surprising innovative measures have been taken in that regard from one county to another. In Kisumu, for example, we have established maternity theaters in sub-county hospitals where mothers can now have cesarean section births outside Kisumu City. We are currently building a comprehensive cancer care center at the Higa Teaching and Referral Hospital, complete with a complementary sickle cell anemia treatment and research center, maybe the first of its kind in our republic. Finally, Your Excellency, let it not pass unnoticed that you have today laid the foundation stone for building the Kisumu Convention Center, where Kenya will host the 9th edition of Africities in April next year. On behalf of the Lake Region Economic Bloc and the Council of Governors, I would like to thank you and your government for supporting this novel initiative of holding this continental gathering in an intermediate city like Kisumu. This is a clear message to all the 47 devolved governments that working interdependently with our...
Let me say today again, as Governor Nyasi said, that Kisumu City will, from the 26th to the 30th of April next year, play host to the largest Africities summit ever hosted on the African continent. That event will be a gathering that will feature ministers, mayors, leaders of local authorities, representatives of civil society, the private sector, academia, national, regional, and international financial institutions, as well as the government partners and other stakeholders. My extension, Governor, my administration, Governor, will extend to the county government of Kisumu every support in order for you to be able to showcase Kenya and Kisumu to Africa and the rest of the world. In the same breath, allow me to say